So in this video, we're going to show you how to simply put pop rivets into really anything. So with a normal pop rivet gun, it can fit many different types of pop rivets. This is a small pop rivet and it fits into here just right. But if you want to put a very big pop rivet into something, obviously that doesn't fit into there. It's the next size up, and that fits in there perfectly. So what you would do is take out this tip and put it in there. Then you could use a bigger pop rivet. But we're just going to be using this size because that fits what we want. So let's go ahead and put it in. So we're going to align the two holes, put the pop rivet in through this one first, then through the second one. Take the second pop rivet and put it in. Now of course there's always this type of gun which only has one type of head, but this is not what we're going to be using. We're actually just going to be using this one. So go ahead and put the gun on and pop rivet it. So once it's fully extended and everything's nice and tight, go ahead and squeeze it and release and do this until it snaps right there. And that's good, and let's put the second one in now. To get the little nail end out, sometimes what we have to do is squeeze it and kick it hard real back, and there it is. Sometimes they'll want to stick in there, so that's kind of a trick to get it out sometimes. So as you can see, whenever we put this one in, it sticks out quite a far from the back, so this one's a little shorter. When you put that in, you can see that looks a lot better. So let's go ahead and put this one in. And this time we'll show you what it looks like and what's happening from the back. So go ahead and squeeze it down. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and snapped. There it is, secured in there nice and tight, and it's fixed. So once you put those in, we're just going to try to tap them down a little bit to get them a little more flush. So we're going to flatten them a little more on both sides. And that's looking really nice, especially on a spatula. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.